As you recall, it was a matter of arraignment. This is the second case filed by the FCC. And we were able to file application. As you can see, Mr. Numan SN appeared for the first defendant, appeared for the second defendant. And my colleague, Sanusi SN, appeared for third and fourth defendants. It went well, our applications were granted. And as you witnessed in the court, the ruling was apt and was detailed.
So how ready are you for the defense, sir?
We can see the excitement on the part of the prosecution to proceed with their case. We're equally very ready to put our defense before the court.
I think the additions are mainly counts 9 and 10 in relation to about 29 million naira thereabouts that the second defendant and his company as the fourth defendant received from Team Hero in relation to the Nigerian Hair Consultancy project or something. So that's the addition, mainly.
So what is significantly different from the other court, the charge before the other court? Because the defense team was trying to argue about that.
Well, as I informed the court, the charge before this court is totally different from that other court. The one before the other court relates to some different defendants. The only common defendant is the first defendant, Hadi Sirika. The remaining defendants in this one are totally different from the remaining defendants in the sister charge. The transactions in this one are totally different from the transactions in the other one. So you would not say that if Mr. A will do something to Mr. B, and then you say, oh, it's the same thing that applies to Mr. A doing something to Mr. C at the same time or around the same time. So the transactions are totally different. The defendants are different.